What's up everybody, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Alright, today I have a new dance tutorial for you. This is Hiphop. Okay, it's very simple. So the title of the song is called Walkman by Tiny Meat Gang. Okay, let's start. Let's start, go. So girls, this is 8/8 choreography. Are you ready? So start facing to your left. It goes like this. 7 and 1, 2. Lift your left. 3, 4 and 5, 6, 7, that 8. One more time. This have end count. So 6, 7. Sorry, I didn't cook. 7 and 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5, 6 and 7, 8. Good job. Next, go 1, 2, 3 and 4 and 5, 6, 7 and 8. Good job. From here, 7 and go 1, 2, 3 and 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. You need to hold your shirt. 5, 6, 7 and 8. Let's try first and second 8. 5, 6, 7, slowly 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5, 6 and 7, punch 8, 1, 2, 3 and 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8. Very good. Let's go on. From here, 7, 8. Go side 1. So this is making circle. 1, 2, 3. Left and right knee. So 3 and 4, 5 and 6. Your foot are stationary. So 1, 2, 3 and 4, 5 and 6 and 7. The 8. One more time. I get confused. 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3 and 4, 5 and 6 and 7. So together, when you use your right legs also. 7, hit on 8. Okay, for the last time. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and 7 and 8. Yes. Next, from here, 8 open on flex. So you're gonna need to flex your foot. So flex. Again, 7 is open, open, close, open, open, close. Again, 7. That's foot count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, down, 7, 8. Simple as that. One more time. 5, 6, 7, flex. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. From the beginning. 5, 6, 7, and 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5, 6, and 7. Punch. 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, close, 6, 7, 8. Next, back. 1 and 2, 3, 4. Go 5 and 6, 7, 8. So stay 8. because this is 1. One more time. So 5, 6, 7, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Go 1 and so this is 1 and look to the front and 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6, 7, 8. Let's continue. So this one is 1 and stop. So your body is 1 and stop. Then this one is open. So basically 7, 8, 1 and stop. So if you can see, it goes like this. So like this and 1 and stop. As simple as that. So one more time. 7, 8, 1 and 2. Shoulder, 3 and 4, 5. Open 6, jump on 7, close on 8. Good job. Let's try from here. Go 1 and 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6, 7. Here we go. 8, 1 and 2, 3 and 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8. Let's continue. 7, 8, open, flex again. 1, 2, double chest, 3, 4, side, 5, overhead, 6, 7, 8. Let's finish it. That's 8. Go 1 and 2. You got it? One more time. From here. So it goes like 6, 7, and open, 2, tap, 4, 5, overhead, 6, 7, 8. Go 1 and 2. Okay? Wait, before that, can we try this one? 6 and 7, 8. Go 1 and 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6, 7. Here we go. 8, 1 and 2. Shoulder. 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1 and 2. All right. What next? 1 and 2 and 3 and 4. This is continuously, continuously. So it goes like 3 and ta 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 ra. Okay. Then nod, step back, set, then stop, and 1 and finish. Before we go to the beginning, let's try the last 2 8s. So last 2 8s is basically, I think this one. So 6, 7, 8, 1, 2, chest, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Yes. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4, 5. Not on 6. Step back, set, then stop, and slow down. And whoa. All right. Good job, everybody. Let's try from the beginning. Here we go. In 5, 6, 7, and go 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Let's do it slowly. Sorry. More slower. So 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5, 6, and 7, 5. 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 7, 8, 1, 2, double, 4, 5, here we go, 6, 7, 8, 1, and 2, slowly, 3, 4, 5, and 6, 7, 8, 1, and stop, shoulder, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8, here we go, 1, back, 2, chest, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 1, and 2, and 3, 4, back, 5, 6, 7, stop, 1. Yes! Good job! Thank you guys so much for watching. Hope you like the choreography. Please don't forget to
Share.
subscribe, like, and comment so much. Why always that one? Bye bye. See you next time.